So today we are at Staunton State Park, so let's go check it out. Staunton State Park is about 40 minutes southwest of Denver. The park ranges in elevation from 8,100 to over 10,000 feet. Established in 2013, Staunton State Park is Colorado's newest state park. Staunton State Park has high alpine ponderosa forests, rock climbing, mountain biking, a lot of hiking trails, and just some stunning views. So on today's hike, we are taking Mason Creek up to Bear Paw Trail. I will again be joined by my father. The Bear Paw Loop part of this trail has 3 awesome overlooks: the Eagle Cliffs Overlook, Pikes Peak Overlook, and Catamount Overlook. So the one thing that's been really nice so far about this trail is it's very well groomed, very flat, not a lot of boulders, and a very easy incline. So very doable for anyone who wants to check it out. We just got to Catamount Scenic Overlook. So let's go check out the views at Catamount Scenic Overlook. And here we have Pikes Peak Overlook. So Pikes Peak is right over there. You can barely make it out through this kind of haze we have going on, but man, the view is quite pretty. And here we have the final overlook, Eagle Cliffs. So here we are on top of Eagle Cliffs Overlook, and the view's pretty astounding. I'd say it's worth it. Well, that's about all we have for Staunton State Park. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. We just saw a mama and baby black bear over on the ridge. I wasn't able to get my camera out in time to get a picture, but